Okay, so this is Miss Williams' read aloud that I'm doing on Newsella. Sports stars send united message after Kenosha police shoot unarmed black man. All right, here's the picture, the captions. I'll go ahead and start reading. Athletes took to social media to protest the shooting of Jacob Blake. Blake was an unarmed black man. He was shot by police in Kenosha, Wisconsin. The shooting happened early in the evening on August the 23rd. This shooting came after months of protests across the United States. Many people protested the death of George Floyd. He was an unarmed black man killed by a white police officer. Floyd died in Minneapolis, Minnesota on May the 25th, 2020. Michael Thomas plays football for New Orleans Saints. The team is based in Louisiana. He wrote, "Stop killing unarmed black people." Blake is 29 years old. He was in a dispute with police officers. He was shot while he was trying to get into a car. His 3 children were already seated in the car at the time of the shooting. Blake underwent surgery and is in serious condition at a hospital. The officers were placed on temporary leave. Protesters rocked the city of Kenosha. NBA star Lebron James leads the way. LeBron James is a basketball star. He shared an older video. Actor Denzel Washington talks about the issue. He says, "Is the sheep preaching hate when he says, 'I'm not going to let a wolf eat me anymore'?" Kansas City Chiefs football player Tyrann Mathieu reshares James' post. He also posted, "They shot that man 7 times. Why can't 3 officers subdue one male? I truly need answers." James also reshared a video of the shooting. He wrote that he felt sorry for Blake's family and "our people. We want justice." Kenny Stills plays for the Houston Texas football team. Stills also tweeted about the shooting. He wrote, "Tired of waking up to videos of people being gunned down by the police." Stills was among 87 protesters who were arrested at a protest this summer. Briana Taylor was a 26-year-old black woman. She was shot by police officers in Louisville, Kentucky. Police officers entered Taylor's apartment in March. They were looking for another person. They shot and killed Taylor. The officers have not been charged with a crime. Shooting hits close to home for Milwaukee Bucks. The Milwaukee Bucks is a professional basketball team. They issued a statement. The Bucks said they stand for all black lives. They criticized police officers for using too much force. Police officers say they were responding to a fight. Witnesses said that Blake was trying to break up the fight. Police first tried to stun Blake with a taser. There is a video of the shooting. It shows people gathering outside. 2 officers with guns drawn follow Blake. As he entered the car, an officer grabs his shirt and shots are fired. Other athletes pray for Blake's survival. Saints player Alvin Kamara said officers committed attempted murder. Kamara added, "I pray he survives." His teammate Cameron Jordan also posted about Blake. Jordan tweeted, "3 officers, one male? And the only way to subdue one man was to fire 7 rounds?" New York Mets baseball Marcus Stroman tweeted, "Prayers up for Jacob Blake. If you watch that video and don't see the problem, then you're part of the problem." Former basketball player Baron Davis tweeted, he said, "Shooting in the back is beyond cowardly." He added, "These cops that are killing are cowards, scared, heartless cops. Stop killing our people." What I hope you all noticed while I was reading was that I was using different voices for different people that were speaking as well.